welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and this week I have decided to post one braid tutorial or technique per day. So if you like this video and these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I should note that these braids are just for technique purposes. I think that you really need to understand the hand movements and how to braid before you can kind of learn how to do it on yourself. So if you'd like to see how I'd actually style each one of these braids, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. The braid that we are going to do today is a French braid. So you can either start your French braid way up here at the top. Oh, lean your head back more. Up here and start, or you can start a little bit back here and leave the front just kind of full and a little bit flat. So that's what I'm going to do today with her hair. So I'm going to start just like a typical braid. I'm just going to section a little piece off though, because you don't want all the hair, because you have to bring the hair into the braid. So I'm going to put this section now into 3 pieces. And you're going to start by putting the right into the center and then the left into the center. And then to make it a French braid, you have your 3 pieces, and I'm going to add some hair into the right side and bring that over into the center. And then I'm going to go to the left side and bring some hair into that section. And then put that into the center. And you keep repeating that pattern all the way down. So bring some hair over, put it on the right side. Twist. And then you just, if you don't have any more hair to add, you just do a regular traditional braid to the bottom. And tie it off with a little elastic. So that is just your traditional French braid.